right side on the gear lever, and then I'll push twice on the right side on the gear lever, so that you have here 1. And then oversteering and drifting has nothing to do with high speed. So we are driving here really slow, maximum 15 kilometers per hour. And first of all, we are going on the accelerator. We are waiting until the car is braking out. And then I'm going away from the accelerator and stabilize. And I'm not doing a second acceleration or third acceleration. I first only want to have this oversteering or this braking out and stabilizing. And only when this is really working out, then I can do a second acceleration. Okay, so I stay here completely on the inside. Really slow, and then I'm wait, and then I'm going on the accelerator, wait until he's braking, and then I'm counter steering and stabilizing. Okay, then I wait again, and then on the accelerator, braking out and stabilizing. Okay, and again braking out and stabilizing. Okay, and this needs to work out smoothly, and then you can go to the second gear. Again, some steering input, and then accelerate, wait until it's braking out, and then second one, third one, and next one. Then you can easily drift around here, okay, and just play with the gas. But you see, it's super slippery, and then you just need to stabilize again, and then you can come back. Okay?